Sell Canva stickers, how to make stickers on Canva to sell, step-by-step tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I will talk about Canva stickers. I'm going to show you how to make digital stickers for your digital products in a fast and simple way, and then sell it as a digital products or printable products. I will be using this software called Canva for this video today. So first of all, if you haven't heard about Canva, well, Canva is a free to use online graphical tool that combines design, photo editing, a layout, video editing, and more to help teachers, students, and other people to create beautifully finished projects. Canva can be used by anyone to generate posters, guidance, project, social media videos or contents, and more. But it can also be used in creating beautiful stickers. And a lot of Canva users use this software in their social media contents as well as create digital products to sell and earn money. So let's get started in creating stickers here on Canva. So first go to canva.com, then create your account to start using this software for free. There is also a paid plan, premium plan, and you can make use of the Canvas images and amazing ready-made stickers or elements. But it's not that necessary to upgrade your plan to premium because with their free plan, you can do so much more already. So to start creating your stickers here, first is click on the create button at the top. And by the way, take note that I am only using the free account. And you'll see here the suggested layout of the design you want to create for today's video. I will be selecting custom size, but it's up to you guys. There's a lot of layout here that you can select from. And here, since we will be creating stickers, then you need to change it from pixel to inches. This is perfect size for digital and printable designs. I will just use 5.5 by 5.5 inches. And I like using square. Then we can create our blank Canva here, or you can also add some templates. Let me choose template here. And assuming we will be creating sticker for travel, for example, and let me move this up, and it's up to you guys if what kind of stickers you want to create. Then now let's add elements. From here on your left side tab, just go to elements and then let's search for travel since travel is our themes for today's stickers. So let me find elements here. Let me add this. And then let me just position it here and then resize it. And then I will be adding more elements here. Let me add this airplane elements. Also, this luggage. And I will also add this map and also this passport. Also, this one, I don't know what this is, but let me add this also. And I will be adding this telescope as well. And let me search for an island here. And we need to make sure that we have enough space to each of these elements so that when we convert it later on to a printable stickers, then we are able to separate them. So let me first go back here, and since we have a different elements here that intersect to each other, let's make this element as one. Let's highlight, and here let's group them. And then let me resize it so that we can add more elements. So let me also search for tourist and let me find free elements here. So by the way, these elements with crown are elements that only available for a premium account. But what you can do as an alternative way to get more amazing elements if you want to stay in free account, you can also use Google. Let me go to google.com and let's search for travel elements. Then go to images and here click on tools and change color to transparent for us to get elements with no background. So here are the results. So just look for the elements here that you like. For example, this one. This can be a transparent, but not all here are real transparent. So to make sure that you will be downloading the real transparent, just open the image online in different tab. And if you still see this background, then this is not a real transparent. Let me choose another image here and let me choose this one. And let's open again the image. And now as we can see here, we have now clear white. This means that the background is real transparent. So let me just go ahead and download it. Or you can also search for clip art instead of elements. As you can see the result here, I already downloaded 2 files. So let's go back to our Canva and then just upload the downloaded images that we have. And once done, then just add it to your design, just like this. So I will now add the second one also. And let me resize it. So once you are done with your design, just download it, click on share and go to download. And here, make sure you selected PNG for you to get the high quality colors and stickers. And just wait for the download to finished. And once downloaded the file to your PC or phone, and by the way, you can also create these stickers with your own phone. Just download Canva app so that you can start designing using your phone. So the next thing we need to do is go to printful.com. Here we can make our Canva design as printable stickers. So from here, go to home and living, and here go for stickers product under stationery. And here you can see their stickers can be sold starting at $2.25. Then choose your size. So we created 5.5 by 5.5. So let me select this. Then start designing. I will just upload the design that we created from Canva. And then click on the mock-up view. And here you can print these as stickers and you can cut them for each element to be separated. Or you can have this kind of stickers here where there is no need for you to manually cut the stickers on your own. You can just peel off each element because it can be printed as already cut. But you need to have enough space to each of the elements for the system to separate them all and have it cut already for you. And also the price is a little bit pricey as you can see here. This one has a different price. So that's how easy and fast you can create stickers design from Canva, and you can sell this design as printable stickers here on Printful or also on Etsy.com or other online marketplace. So that's all for today's video about making stickers on Canva and sell it online. I hope you liked this video, and if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.